I'm excited. Hello everyone, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Elmarie. Guys, today I am cooking ham. You know, it's about Christmas time now, so everybody wants something new and exciting to their table. So I am gonna be cooking this honey pineapple glazed ham for Christmas. Let's get started. So let me give you guys a good look. It's smoked ham, bone in. This is vinegar, white vinegar. I'll just use paper towel. So guys, I will just pour the ham. I'm gonna place it in the, this is really oven roast, so I will place it in the oven roast for 2 hours, and then I will take it out, and then I will put it in the oven, garnish it and put it in the oven for another hour. Now I am gonna gore the ham just to make some style in it, and also it will soak quicker and easier for the cooking process. So this is just making some diamond shape. And I'll do it on both sides. Now I have my cloves. Ham is something you don't put too much season on because it has its own unique taste already. So for the cloves, I will put the cloves in each diamond end. I'll show you afterwards. If you can't stand too much the taste of the cloves, now you can skip every other one and put in it every other space. While I'm doing this, I will just plug the oven in to preheat it. I will preheat the oven to 325 degrees. For me, with the file paper, I place the shiner side up and the dull side, I place it down underneath. When I wrap it and the heat start building up, the heat will penetrate straight through the meat and stay there. So it will have the ham cooked thoroughly right through. To start, I will pour some broth in the bottom of the baking, in the bottom of the roasting oven. If I was using the stove, I will pour water underneath the meat. So I'll just use the broth. I'm just using some beef broth and some chicken and vegetable broth. Then I will lower it. So guys, the meat will take 2 hours. I'm gonna put 2 hours on it to have this cook for 2 hours. So in the meantime, I will be making my juice. So I am gonna be doing beetroot, ginger, apples, and kale. So the beet, I keep them in water just to have them very clean. This ginger is very big. Oh my God. So now guys, I won't peel the apple. This time I'm using the red apple, but I'm not gonna peel the apple. I will just take out the navel part of the apple under the bottom, like so. Even the seeds, I don't remove them. This smells so nice. Oh my God. So now I'll just set this in the fridge for it to cool. It's been 2 hours now, so I'm gonna check the ham and just baste it a little bit. I just make a small hole there, so just basting it, and I'm pretty sure it's done. So guys, it's about 2 hours now since the ham is on. So with this meal, I will be serving mashed potato. Before I check in on the ham, I will just peel and cook the potatoes. I'm just making a garnish with this. I will place this in some ice water. have it crisp and open. So now I'll just add some salt to the water for the potato. So now I will be making the garnish for the ham, but I will be using melted butter at first. I will melt the butter, and this is unsalted butter because the ham is already salty, so I need to use fresh butter. At this point you can put whatever you want. I'm using the rotisserie powder. I'll just use a little bit, a little all-purpose. So now I will add my honey. I will just add a half glass of the classic cream wine because I'm looking for something like salty, sweety, savory kind of taste for my ham. I'll put it on low flame. Yeah, get in there. Then the juice from the ham, I will also use some of that in the mix also. This is just to give it more flavor, guys. And last but not least, I will add some brown sugar. I'll put this on low flame, and then I will remove the ham from the oven and have it dress and garnish. So for the dressing, I will be using cherries. So I'm using 3 different color cherries and sliced pineapple. This pineapple juice also, so give it more pineapple taste and more pineapple flavor. Oh guys, it's coming together already. Lovely. Love it. Love it. I'm just doing some last minute tweaking right about now, and now I will just put her in the oven. The oven is already preheated. So now I place it in the oven, after which I will make a second coat of the garnish on it. At this point, guys, I will just add some cinnamon, just a little cinnamon in it. Now give it a stir. This time the glaze is thicker. Now that I glazed the meat with the thicker glaze, now I will put it back in the oven for just 5 minutes more. So now I will remove the potatoes. It's already cooked. I will remove it from the stove and start mashing. I'll add a spoon of butter. I really add the milk because I want to keep it moist even when it's cold. It won't be too hard. So I'll set this aside just to have it cool down a little bit so I can get to pipe it. The ham is all done. Guys, it smells so nice, looks nice. I like the way it looks, and I know it's gonna be very tasty. Now I will be making the salad, after which I will be plating and eating. Now I am going to be making some Caesar salad, so I will make my own croutons. So first I will add some olive oil, a pinch of salt, and some dry parsley. Five minutes should be good. I'm just using some salt to clean the lettuce. Any bugs or anything like that, the salt will get rid of them for me. I'll pour my Caesar salad on. Next I'll put some Parmesan cheese. A long slice and you want it? There you have it, guys, some nice juicy pineapple honey glazed ham with some creamy mashed potato, tomatoes and avocado, and a Caesar salad. Guys, this meal, oh my god, it takes forever to make. Such a long time to get the ham really ready. Guys, if you should invite it to a dinner during this Christmas season or anytime, and there is ham on the table, please appreciate the person who make it, because it's a mighty long time. However, please remember, like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. I don't even know where to start from. Like, I honestly don't even know where to start from. However, let me start by tasting the ham. Oh my god. I can truly taste the pineapple. I can taste the cinnamon. I can really taste the cloves that is in it, all tied in together so nicely. To be honest, it's not salty. It is so good. Oh my god. The potato is so soft and creamy. Like really creamy and nice. The texture, it is good. Not because it is me who made it, but the texture, it's awesome. The texture is good. Nice and refreshing. Guys, for your health benefit, this is a nice drink. Remember, the ingredients in this juice, it's kale, red apple, and beet. What else did I put in it? Kale, red apple, beet, and ginger. So refreshing, so nice. But think about the benefits. Guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.